That is my favorite sound in the world. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my macaroni and cheese. While making this video, I've been getting comments from people who don't even watch my channel about what I put in my cheese. As you will see, I did not have my fancy cheeses on deck at the time, but I was able to include them in the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first we're going to fill our pot with water and set our stove on high so it could boil faster. And then we are going to pour in 4 ounces of salt followed by 4 ounces of olive oil. So once the water is boiling, turn the stove down to medium-high or medium and pour in the pasta. In this video, I'm using like 2 boxes and that's going to fill up about almost 2 trays. Now we're going to give it a little stir and we're going to let that sit for 30 to 40 minutes or until the pasta is tender and soft. As it keeps boiling, just keep stirring it sporadically, and then when it's nice and soft, drain it and melt 4 tablespoons of butter on top of it and mix it. Alright, so now for the cheese, we're going to take the other 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it. Once our butter is completely melted, we're going to pour in a pint of heavy cream, but you may want to add a little bit more than that, but it was enough for me to work with. So this is our main cheese. I like the boar's head one because it's mixed with cheddar, but this one is still a good substitute if you're like me and go Thanksgiving shopping at the last minute. As long as you have smoked Gouda in your macaroni, it's going to taste good. This is what gives it like a bacony flavor without even adding any bacon. Oh, and I only cut half of it, and I saved the other half for the top. Now we're going to work with our cheddar cheese, and as a substitute, we're going to use the Cracker Barrel Extra Sharp Yellow. I don't even remember how long ago I made this macaroni, but when I did, there was no good cheese in the supermarket. However, the Cracker Barrel cheeses aren't that bad to me. this right here is some bougie, expensive Parmesan I'm using on Thanksgiving, but this is what I had in the fridge. And again, since y'all are too bougie for me, I'm using this one on Thanksgiving. And yes, I'm using Kraft mozzarella cheese. Y'all are way too bougie. Now we're going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of all-purpose flour and sift that in. So now we're gonna add less than a teaspoon of salt, followed by like 2 shakes of cayenne pepper and like 4 shakes of black pepper. And this is when you would also add like 3 shakes of paprika, but our color came out fine, so it wasn't necessary. These are 2 more expensive cheeses I plan to add to my Thanksgiving macaroni, and here I'm just adding a little bit of extra cheddar. This is going to sound kind of weird to mix Mexican and Italian cheeses, but I like how it comes out with the Mexican. And here I just added some regular Cracker Barrel Gouda. So finally, after our cheese is done, we're going to pour it over our macaroni. After we stir our macaroni, we're going to put it in our tray and prep it for the oven. Here I'm sprinkling the other half of our cheeses and getting ready to put it in the oven. And finally, after 30 to 40 minutes in the oven or golden brown, this is what our final product looks like. I want to thank the people that watch my videos here from me on YouTube, and thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos weekly.